The cam on that joint. Yeah, this don't sound ridiculous. Uh-oh, we got action. What I'm talking about, baby. Oh shit. Look at this shit in the street, bro. They getting it already out this jump, baby. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, we actually about to go to a car meet. It should be like 100 and something cars here. I finally got my butt up, man, and came out to one of these meets. As you see, they already getting it, man. They're getting it early. I'm almost there, so I see y'all when I get there. Let's go. That joint hitting, man. That joint sounds super good. See if I can get my man up here in the challenge. Joint sounds stupid, Slim. Them 392s sound so good, bruh. It's like a whole different sound in the Scat Pack, man. So I definitely gotta give me a Scat or a Hellcat, one of the two. I know y'all probably can hear them Jones. They like 2 cars ahead of me. Lexus in the way. Purple jump, sick. Damn, the jump. Hellcat. Sounds ridiculous, bruh. These joints rolling out right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Joints sound ridiculous, man. It's only a couple 5.7s out here. Me and another guy. Everybody else got Hellcats and Scats. This joint right here, ridiculous. Wide body. Oh, these joints sick. Especially this one right here with the wheels. That joint's sick. Copyright. That joke sounds great. Yes, sir. Hi, buddy. Hellcat. I'm talking about. Man, these bounces out here to day, bruh. Ain't playing no games. This silver joint right here crazy, right here. That joint like that. I need to move my car, I think. That don't sound crazy. Let me move my damn car. This Hellcat. Scat. Oh, it's a scat. That don't sound crazy. Yes, sir. That joint clean. Look at that joint. Now that's crazy. Now this joint right here is stupid. Look at the wrap on that joint. That's crazy. That joint look ridiculous. That joint sick right there, bro. Yes, sir. Right beside that joint. Cam on that joint. Yeah, this don't sound ridiculous. Follow Instagram. That don't sound ridiculous. But what's your Instagram, man? We'll go ahead and put you on
my Instagram. Follow me at Skerlock dash 211 underscore 211. I'm sorry, it's SC. You can follow my channel, YouTube at B-9.
Go ahead and give him a follow, man. As a matter of fact, me and him about to get together and start doing some videos, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Because there really ain't nobody in our area that's really putting out YouTube videos like that, so we about to get it popped. What you gonna do to your jump?
Honestly, I really don't know yet.
Yeah.
I know I'm gonna get a cooler intake. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the exhaust yet.
Yeah.
A lot of people doing that mid muffler.
Yeah.
But it's a 19, so it's already
right. Yeah, it got
you know
the
it already
sound good.
Yeah,
right,
so
exactly.
I'm gonna see what the big cooler intake do to it.
Yeah.
After that, I might do some cosmetics. It's already fast. It's fast enough for me.
Right.
I'm not trying to be the fastest out here.
Yeah, I hear you.
Summertime coming up, so
Right. Matter of fact, let's go check your joint out, man. Yeah, this joint like that. You got this joint from Waldo?
Nah, I got this one from VA. The black one I got that one from Waldo.
Oh, okay.
Like you said, they be charging for that.
Yeah, they be charging way too much, bro. Yeah, this joint mean.
I washed it yesterday, but it started raining.
Yeah, with that color, that joint still look good. So you got the tints on here. Yeah. So yeah, you gotta get your Instagram and all that on your window.
I got that.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this joint right, man. I definitely appreciate the support, man. Yes, sir.
I be chilling, gotta support the home team.
Yeah,
you know what
yes,
I'm
indeed. Yeah, this joint mean, turn up. Yes, sir. my favorite color, right? You notice the color I'm getting? I love this car right here.
Best run, man. I ran a 12.3.
12.3?
12.3 on 45.
What? Wow.
Man, she got that.
That's what's up, man. Put your Instagram on here.
It's on the side.
Oh, okay. I'm talking about the Red Fest going on here. Yeah, I'm about to get right here. Alright guys, now I'm about to get everybody leaving. Get these exhausts. Everybody out here sounding good, man. I'm jealous. I gotta hurry up and get me a daggone 392. They about to ride up to Philly. I can't make that move. Maybe next time I ride up there with them. So I'm about to show y'all these whips, man. Plus they got the music playing, so I might have to turn the sound on. I'm in the wrong spot. Ride out, baby. Ride out time. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. This one right here is ridiculous, man. Them wheels is hitting. I wish I could ride out with them, man.
It's a good looking group.
I'm telling you.
They're gonna be at the red light before they even get the tail end out of this parking lot.
I know. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Let me put my damn seatbelt on. I actually got to meet some of my subscribers, man. I really had a good time, bro. I definitely got to get out and do this more often, man. I never really get a chance to get out and hang out with these guys, man. But as you saw, man, everybody got 392s and Hellcats, man. I gotta step my game up, bruh. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I see y'all on the next video. Peace.